Good morning, all of you, and you are all welcome in DSS online English class. Myself, Dharmen sir, your English teacher. Now, today, we shall discuss the rest of the part or the paragraph of the chapter, the Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. I have completed the above paragraph, and now we have to confirm the rest of the paragraph. So, students, let's start from here. Let's stop from here. There was a mark of an old inch cut. It was impossible to tell when injury had occurred. When Bipin Chaudhary saw or observed his knee, then saw that there was a long cut mark on his knee. And when it is occurred with him, it is impossible to remember. That means he never think that when and in which condition the injury mark is cut on his head. Had he never had a fall as a boy and cut his knee, then again he began to think that had any one time occurred in his childhood when the cut mark, so he failed himself to remember such a thing which has happened in his childhood. Then Bipin Babu suddenly thought of Dinesh Mukherjee. Then suddenly he began to thought of Dinesh Mukherjee, about him, the person the stranger was talking about. The man had said that Dinesh was in Ranchi at the same time, and the stranger had told to Bipin Chaudhary that Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee isn't present at that moment in Ranchi. So it was a good idea to ask Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee right now. So it's a good to memorize or to confirm what happened with him and had he ever went in Ranchi or not. So the man had said that Dinesh was in Ranchi at the same time. The best thing surely would be to ask him. He lived quite near. So Bipin Chaudhary thinks that let's confirm to him that what the matter about the Ranchi trip, and he was in Ranchi right now and he lived quite near, so it is very easy to confirm. And he lived in Benindan Street. What about going right now? But then, if he had really ever been in Ranchi, what would Dinesh think if Bipin Babu asked for a confirmation? He would probably include Bipin Babu was going nut. Going nut here means, student, a state of madness. State of madness, going nut, going mad or crazy. Here the meaning is also given. So student, he thought that it is better to ask him, but again he began to think that when he asked to Dinesh Mukherjee about his Ranchi trip, then Dinesh Mukherjee certainly think about him that I am going on it. That means I am going crazy, that why I am asking about Ranchi trip to him. So there are a lot of questions began to come in his mind and he become very puzzled. And in this condition, he didn't think that what should he do and what should he not to do. Then, and he knew how ruthless Dinesh's custom could be, and he also think that what the reaction would be of Dinesh Mukherjee when he asked about the Ranchi trip. After that, when he reached at his home, sipping a cold drink in his air-conditioned living room, Bipin could felt at ease again. Such a nuisance. When Bipin Babu reached his home and take a cold drink in his air-conditioned room, then he felt some relief and think that what a nonsense are the man talking about. It was a very disturbing things that the person was talking. Just because they have nothing else to do, they go about getting into the others people here. That means he began to criticize of that person, that when a person had no anything to do, then they just interrupt their finger into others' matter. Here it is a phrase. That given here people's hair. That means interrupt in other matters, or interfere in other matters. After dinner, snuggling the bed in the bed with one of the new thrillers, Vipin Babu forgot all about the man and Newmarket. And after dinner, Vipin Babu slept and began to read his new thriller book, which he had recently bought, and forgot all about the man who is talking about the Ranchi trip. That means जब विपिन बाबू फिर वो अपना जो मार्केट से बुक लाए होते हैं उसको आराम से पढ़ने लगते हैं और फिर पास्ट की सभी चीज़ों को भूल जाते हैं वो स्ट्रेंजर ने क्या कहा है ऑल थिंग्स फॉरगेट अबाउट नेक्स्ट डे इन हिज ऑफिस बिपिन बाबू नोटिस दैट विथ every passing hours the previous day's encounter was occupying more and more of his mind. When the next day when Bipin Babu went to his office, there he always thinking about the incident, what encounter had been in the previous day. That means वो हमेशा उस previous day उस stranger की बातों को रांची ट्रिप के विषय में पूरे दिन सोचते रहते हैं. If the man knew so much about Bipin Babu, how could he make such a mistake about the Ranchi trip? And he also began to think that if the person knows about everything, and then how can it possible to forget all about the Ranchi trip? Just before the lunch, Bipin Babu decided to ring up Dinesh Mukherjee. It was better to settle question over at phone, and at least embarrassment in his friend wouldn't show. That means after lunch, Bipin Babu decided to make a phone call to Dinesh Mukherjee to confirm. But after that, he began to think that when it is better idea to confirm on a phone calls. At least he never see the scarsome face of Dinesh Mukherjee while he will confirming him. That means वो सोचते हैं कि चलो फ़ोन से ही बात कर लेते हैं क्योंकि जब मैं उसे ओरली कंफर्म करूंगा या सामने कंफर्म करूंगा उसके चेहरा एक स्कार्सम फेस देगा तो इससे बेटर है कि फ़ोन पे ही बात कर लें. So 234235616. It is a phone number which is dialed by Vipin Babu. And then, hello. It is a phone call. Hello. Is that Dinesh? This is Vipin here. That means it's a phone calling. Well. What's the news? Then Dinesh Mukherjee asked to him that what's the news? I just wanted to find out if you are recalling an incident which took place in 1958. Then Vipin Babu asked that, do you remember about the trip which is happened in 1958? 58. What incident? Were you in Calcutta right through that year? That's the first thing I have got to know. Wait just a minute, 58. Just let me check in my diary. Then he think that you were in Calcutta right through that year. That's the first thing I have got to know. So wait, after hearing this thing, the person said that, wait a minute, 58, just let me check in my diary. For a minute, there was a silence. Bipin Babu could feel that his heartbeat had gone up, was sweating a little. And until he got the answer from the Dinesh Mukherjee, his heartbeat became faster and he became perspiring in restlessness. That means जब तक इसको आंसर नहीं मिलता है तब तक ही इनकी हार्ट बीट बढ़ जाती है और पसीने आने लगते हैं इनको. Then again, hello. Yes, I have got it. I had been out twice. Where? Once in a February. Then got an answer that we have got it twice. Once in a February, nearby to Krishna Nagar to a nephew's wedding. That means we went in February nearby Krishna Nagar in a nephew's wedding. And then, but you don't know about this one. The trip to Ranchi, you were here too. That's all. And you don't know about more thing about that trip. And you were with me at that moment, and that's all. Nothing happened very important and very remarkable. You were there too. That's all. But what all this slanting about? But why are you investigating about this? The man asked to him in a surprise. No, just wanted to. Anyway, thanks. Then Bipin Babu said that not a very important matter. That's formally I am asking about that trip. Not so very important. Anyway, thanks. what you have done for me, that's very thankful to you. Thankful for me? No, I just wanted to. Sorry. Bipin Babu slammed and receiver down and gripped his head with his hand. Then Bipin Babu slammed the phone down. That means slammed here means put loudly, slammed, put loudly the phone calls on the receivers and the phone on the receiver down and gripped his head in both hands in a very surprise and felt head is swimming and he began to feel that his head is gazing a very dizziness, that means चक्कर आने लगते हैं, उनका head दिमाग चारों तरफ तैरने लगता है. A child seemed to spread over his body. There were sandwich in his tiffin and he felt a chill in his body and there was a sandwich in his tiffin box but he didn't eat them. That means he was so puzzled that a sandwiches in his tiffin, but he didn't eat them and he had lost his appetite. And after getting the answer from the Dinesh Mukherjee, he forgot all his appetite. That means भूख. वो आंसर पाने के बाद उनको ऐसे लग रहा जैसे उनकी भूख ही खत्म हो गई हो. So student, I think you have I think it's a very important things to think and to understood what I have explained. And if you have any doubt, then ask me. And if this is clear, then definitely you have to do your duty and write answer of the given question and send it to me by PDF. Thank you.